On my left is a BYD Dolphin. It's a hatchback, small urban hatchback. The range is about 405 kilometers. So you can take it around town, be perfectly okay with it, get some range, and then maybe charge at the end of the day, or even charge a few days later because of the range. And here on my right is the BYD Atto 3, our best-selling BYD model so far. It's a crossover, very popular one. And this one is the premium variant, the higher variant. Now you can easily see that with the 18-inch wheels, the bigger 18-inch wheels, the roof rail, and of course, the bigger battery underneath. So that one gets you about 480 kilometers of range. And in the dynamic version, the one that's lower price, about 1.5 million, that gives you about 410 kilometers of range.
Wow, exciting numbers we're hearing, Sir Nico. I've learned today that BYD is the global leader on new energy vehicles. What makes